Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of data science internships at some of the top tech giants. If you're a data science enthusiast looking to kickstart your career, this video is for you. Data science is one of the most exciting fields in tech today, and interning at a major company can give you unparalleled experience. But with so many options, where should you apply? Let's take a closer look at the opportunities available at Meta, NVIDIA, IBM, Apple, Adobe, HP, AWS, Google, and Microsoft. First up, Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. At Meta, data science interns work on real-world problems, ranging from improving user experiences to optimizing algorithms. Interns here get hands-on experience with large data sets and advanced machine learning models. To apply, you'll need strong skills in Python or R, experience with data visualization tools, and knowledge of statistical methods. Make sure to highlight any relevant projects on your resume. Next, NVIDIA. Known for their cutting-edge advancements in AI and deep learning, NVIDIA offers data science internships that focus on developing and implementing algorithms for their GPUs and software platforms. Applicants should have a strong background in machine learning, proficiency in C++ or Python, and experience with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. IBM is a pioneer in technology and innovation. Data science interns at IBM work on a variety of projects, including natural language processing, predictive analytics, and cloud computing. IBM looks for candidates with expertise in statistical software, experience with big data technologies like Hadoop, and a solid understanding of machine learning algorithms. Apple is all about innovation, and their data science internships are no exception. Interns here contribute to projects that enhance Apple's product lines and services through data-driven insights. Strong programming skills in Python or Swift, experience with data analysis and visualization tools, and a keen eye for detail are essential for applicants. Adobe offers data science internships that focus on enhancing their suite of creative software products. Interns work on improving features through data analysis and machine learning. Candidates should have experience with data manipulation tools, a background in machine learning, and strong problem-solving skills. HP is a leader in personal computing and printing solutions. Data science interns at HP work on optimizing product performance and improving customer experiences through data insights. Applicants need strong analytical skills, proficiency in programming languages like Python or Java, and experience with data visualization tools. Amazon Web Services offers data science internships that focus on cloud-based solutions and services. Interns work on projects involving big data, machine learning, and scalable infrastructure. AWS looks for candidates with experience in cloud technologies, strong programming skills, and the ability to work with large data sets. Google's data science internships are highly sought after. Interns here work on projects that impact millions of users, from search algorithms to AI-driven applications. Candidates should have a deep understanding of machine learning, proficiency in languages like Python or Java, and experience with data processing frameworks like Apache Spark. Last but not least, Microsoft offers data science internships that span a wide range of projects, from AI and machine learning to cloud computing and business intelligence. Applicants need strong programming skills, experience with machine learning models, and the ability to analyze and interpret complex data. Ultimately, Karkidi.com serves as a dedicated job site for careers in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Landing an internship at a tech giant can be transformative for your data science career. Be sure to customize your applications, emphasize relevant skills and projects, and thoroughly prepare for technical interviews. Best of luck! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more career tips, and share it with friends who are also seeking incredible internship opportunities. See you next time!